The politically broad-based call to extend the presidential term of office beyond 2028 remains a rightful and unquestionable obligation for ZANU-PF. The Party of Zimbabwe's Permanent National Democratic Revolution, ZANU-PF, and other legitimate political stakeholders to this matter. Sarabina Mashoko, a statement released by Chano Kwakunzi, statement on the presidential limit extension, where Pangwa ino yavachitaura kuti aiwa, the 2030 plan, kana a plan yekuextenda term yemutungamiri wenyika from 2028 kuti extended to beyond. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell. Continue to watch parliamentarians from the cross-sectional divide of the political parties represent the views and the interests of their electorate. Submissions by honorable members of the parliament reflect the aspirations of those who voted the constituencies they were elected to serve. The parliament is not answerable to narrow, sectoral and region change donor funding antics by the paltry conglomerate of civil society entrepreneurs purporting to present the views of the church in Zimbabwe. In the same vein, such Western donors organizations need not to be reminded that ZANU-PF is a political establishment which delivered freedom of expression and freedom of religion, among many other rights we all enjoy today. Likewise, the ZANU-PF-led government will still ferociously defend freedom of worship for all Zimbabweans, most of which are not affiliated with the Zimbabwe Heads of Christian Denominations ZHCD outfit. However, it is crucial for ZANU-PF's godly existential values not to be abused by minority entities and individuals bent on misrepresenting the cordial relationship which the state and the church enjoy. The proposal to move a motion on the parliamentary term limit extension will follow the provisions of the law. It must be emphasized that the Constitution will remain centrifugal throughout the process with no idea of infection. Signed by Honorable Dr. Jennifer Muswere. Thomas Kwaruda Pangwana about the Minister of Information, Publicity and Broadcasting Services. Pangwana Wajit Aiwa, the 2030 plan or the move to extend the presidential term is unstoppable. Penagome section made with the Mafuro anymore to leave on server chitko each. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.